of what you want. So without further ado, let's continue. So the third element of design is color. All of us know color must be among it. So color is one of the elements that is especially important in attracting attention, because there is psychology behind the feelings that color can evoke. So the fourth element of design is size. Size is simply how small or large something is. In design, size is used as an indication of importance, and it can also create a visual interest in a design by using contrasted sizes. So the fifth element of design is texture. So texture is another element that is used to draw attention. It can be added to other elements like shapes, color, image, and type. So this means like the thickness of a particular element you use. And the last but least is space. Space refers to the areas of the design that are left blank. These areas include any distance or areas between, around, below, or even above other designs. Element or above other elements. Designers intentionally place spaces in the designs to add emphasis to areas of the design. Now let's talk about the principles of designs. Principles of design suggest how the designer should best arrange the varied components of a page layout to confirm whether the design elements are connected to one another. Elements of design we have different kinds of elements of design in today's smartphone world, but the most and the highest important principle of design is alignment. Alignment is about keeping your design looked organized. All aspects of the look should be aligned with the highest, bottom, center, and sides to make a visible connection between them. The first thing someone checks in your design is alignment. So I want you to compare this design with this design. I want you to pick one of it. Obviously, you choose this one because it is well aligned. So make sure your design is well aligned to make it neat and meaningful. Now let's continue the principles of designs. So the next most important principle of design is balance. Balance. Achieving visual balance in graphic design is completed by using symmetry and asymmetry. So science students, it is time for you to come out. This can be, or shall I say math students, this can be achieved by balancing the look in weights, meaning shapes, lines, and other elements are distributed evenly. So whether or not the two sides of the look are in the precise same, they need similar elements. Balance is vital because it provides structure and stability to a design. Contrasting is employed to stress certain aspects of the planning. Using contrast allows you to thread differences between elements, ultimately highlighting the key elements of your design that you just want to face out. So now we go now we are moving to color psychology. So as you can see the image here, you can see different color background and different color text. So this is how colors actually go together. So now, color psychology. Color is one of the most important features of a good design. All of us know that. I don't even have to say it. A conflicting color makes a design awful. So if you don't use a really good color for your design, even though your design and elements and all other things are meaningful, the color can just destroy your designs. So to be able to combine color well, a color wheel is very important. So color wheel are just those kind of wheels that just represents colors. So you just have to pick a color that you specifically want. So a color wheel was invented in 1666 by Isaac Newton, who mapped the color spectrum onto a circle. The color wheel is the basis of color theory because it shows the relationship between colors. So this is an example of the color wheel. For those who are really good at graphic designs, I know this is just pure, but for those who are beginners, I got your back. So now we're going to type of color combination. The first type of color combination is complementary. Complementary can be defined as two colors that are on the opposite sides of the wheel. So, this combination provides a high contrast and high impact color combinations. Together, these designs appear brighter and more prominent. The second one is monochromatic. Three shades, tones, and tints of one base color provides a subtle and conservative color combination. This is a versatile color combination that is easy to apply to design project for a harmonious look. Analogous. These three colors that are by the side of the color wheel. The color combination is versatile, but can be overwhelming to balance an analogous color scheme. Choose one dominant color and use the others as an accent.